How to change payment account on Free Fire. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your payment account on Free Fire. Without any further delay, let us just jump right in. First thing first, all you have to do here is log into your account, and to find your payment method, you can go ahead and click on the diamond icon at the top, or right besides the download icon. You will have this card. Tap on it, and from here go over to top up. On the top up tab, you can just tap on any one of the options to view your payment method. So I'll just do the first one. Once you tap on it, what happens is it's going to give you a pop-up showing your payment method. You can just tap on this, and then you can click on add credit or debit card to add another payment method. Once that is done, you can use another card and you should be able to use that card for your payments on the game. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.